Yeah, sir.
Yeah, Mandeep. So, can you please quickly introduce yourself? What is your highest qualification, and if you have any experience, take out your experience along with the roles, and if you know any something about SAP, just take out and where are you from and which language you are comfortable.
Yeah, my name is Manidip.
Okay.
I am from Hyderabad.
Okay.
I completed my graduation in BCom
Mm-hmm.
2018 with the percentage of 65.
Okay.
Uh, After completion of my graduation, uh, I was worked as a sales executive in banking domain.
Okay.
After that, some responsibility I need to take the my family business
Mm-hmm.
for 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why the 4 years of career gap is there in my profile.
Okay. So, what is your highest qualification? Become.
BCom degree undergrad
So, when you are completed,
in
which year?
2018.
2018.
Yeah, yeah, 20.
Okay.
Mm.
So after that, you're not working, or you worked as a in a sales field in bank for the bank.
Yes, yes, yes. For 2 years.
Okay. Still you are working, or you're not
No,
working.
I'm not working yet.
Okay. So why you have choose to learn this SAP? Who has suggested you?
Yeah, yeah. I choose career growth in IT sector, IT consulting sector.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, to such a good pathway to my future, to the bright future of this. So
Okay.
I can choose the. I'm
No,
little bit
means
know
who
about.
advised you? Someone is advised you, or you only search in the Google or somewhere else?
Not anybody not suggested, but I know the fintech finance related accounting type. This is the software I know
Okay.
from. So that's why I of
Okay.
this.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, so let me introduce. And first of all, welcome to SAP demo. So my name is Shivanand, and I'm having 13 years of experience as a SAP FICO consultant, and I am a certified consultant. And during my 13 years, I've worked different cities like Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune. These are the cities that I worked. And during 13 years, I traveled different countries. And as I said, I'm a certified consultant. Okay, and I
Yeah,
do have yeah, I do have experience like a support project, implementation project, rollout project. Okay, so different project I worked. Now, what we will do, first we will try to understand what is SAP and why SAP has a huge opportunities in the market, and why SAP is in top in the market. Okay, so these are the things we will try to understand, and once we completed these things, then we will try to understand what are the topics that I'm going to cover. Okay, so after that, I'm going to explain what are the rules you can apply once we completed this course. What are the rules you can apply, and what how your future will be. Okay, for down the line of 10 or 15 years. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to cover. So in between, I will be asking some question. So if you are aware, you just try to answer it. If you're not aware, just try to answer like I don't know. Okay, but please
yeah,
participate in
okay.
the yeah. So make it like an interactive session. So make full utilization of this session. Okay. So the abbreviation, what is the abbreviation of SAP? It's a very simple system application and products in data processing. This is the abbreviation of SAP. And when it is founded, it is founded in 1972 by five IBM employees, and later it got renamed in 1977 as a SAP. So this is the overall history about SAP. Now let's try to understand what is SAP. We try to understand abbreviation of SAP, and when it is founded, and what is when it is got renamed. These things we try to understand, and now we'll try to understand what is SAP. Okay. So first thing, if you want to try to understand what is SAP, first of all you need to understand what is ERP, because SAP is a ERP tool. Okay. So first we'll try to understand what is ERP. So as I said, SAP is a ERP tool. So ERP tool, not only SAP is a ERP tool. In the market, there are n number of ERP tools. Like you can take Tally, you can take Focus, you can take what else? Mainframe. Okay, Mainframe and Oracle Finance. There are n number of ERP tools, guys, in the market. Okay, but SAP is in the top. But first, we'll try to understand what is ERP. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. So do you know what do you mean by resource? Any idea what do you mean by resource?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Yeah, can you take out some names of your resources?
In SAP resources means I consider as planning, production, implementation.
No, no, I'm not talking about SAP. I'm talking in general.
Okay. In okay
In
in
general, you might have learned in your BCom, right?
yeah,
Four
yeah,
M's like men, machine, material,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So
Labor.
basically, yeah, labor, labor mean min. Okay, so these are the things we called as a resource. So you said you're doing some business, right? What is the business?
It's a transport business.
Yeah, transport business. So for transport, what are your resources?
Vehicles,
Yeah, what else?
labor.
Labor. Yeah, yeah. Maybe some other resources also you may be required for parking. You may need some space for office. You may need some space, and for investment purpose to procure means purchase your vehicle. You need some capital, right? So these all are your resources to start the business. Okay. So what is this ERP tool will help the organization to manage their resources effectively. With the help of your ERP tool, you can manage your resources effectively, or you can manage or you can utilize maximum utilization of your resources by using ERP tools. Okay. So how this will be going to utilize? For example, we'll try to understand the differentiate if you are doing manual accounting or if you are using SAP ERP. So not a SAP, if you are using ERP tool, any ERP tool. Okay.
रिजॉल्व
So for
करके देते हैं
example,
कोई भी एरर
you're
हो
doing some
जैसे
business from the
हाँ
past 20.
पीओ सबमिट नहीं हो रहा या फिर कुछ भी एरर आ रहा है
हाँ हाँ
जीएल का एरर आ रहा है या फिर
हाँ
कुछ भी
हाँ
ऑफिस सेंटर वगैरह का तो
हाँ।
बता दें।
और तुम्हारा कंपनी या मैं 1 मिनट दो।
Not prepare any strategy or any planning, right? Right?
हाँ जी, तो कंपनी
You're
हाँ
are you
प्लान
with
रोल
me?
आउट क्या रहता है
रोल आउट
कि
का बता
Hello?
रोल
रोल
आउट
आउट
का हाँ अब रोल आउट में क्या रहता है एसएपी ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंट रहता है बट
Pradeep,
क्लाइंट
are you
क्या
there?
करता है
You're on
Yeah,
mute.
sir.
अपने
I'm
बिजनेस को
listening.
एक्सपेंड करता है।
Yeah.
एक्सपेंड करने में 2 तरीके
Okay.
होते हैं, वन इज प्लान
So
रोल आउट, सेकंड इज
to
कंपनी
prepare
कोड रोल आउट।
strategy or
प्लान रोल आउट का
planning,
मीनिंग
you need
समझो
some data.
कि
So if
आज
you
की
are
डेट में
doing
मेरा एक
manual
प्लांट है
accounting,
नोएडा के
you
अंदर,
will not
सेकंड
having any
प्लांट आई
data.
वांट
You
टू
may
ओपन
be
इन
maintain
चेन्नई,
data
तो वो
manually,
क्या होगा
but
प्लांट रोल आउट,
to
बिकॉज जब
consolidate
भी
it will
मेरा
take good
नया
amount of
प्लांट
time,
ओपन
right?
होगा तो नए प्लान के
So
अकॉर्डिंग
if
मुझे
you
सारी
like
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन
to prepare the planning or
करनी होगी।
to prepare the
ऐसे ही
strategy
अगर मेरा
itself, it will
प्रीवियस
take good
कंपनी
amount
कोड
of
चल रहा है,
time.
ठीक है, अगर मेरे
Then
को नया
what will
बिजनेस
happen?
स्टार्ट
The
करना है,
good
ठीक है,
time
सो
it may be
आई
passed
विल हैव
on.
टू क्रिएट ए न्यू
So
कंपनी
in a
कोड, ठीक है,
business,
तो दैट विल
the
बी
time
कंपनी
will
कोड
play
रोल आउट।
very key role.
डेटा
Today
माइग्रेशंस
your
क्या रहता
decision
है,
may be
पहले
good.
मेरा
If you
ईसीसी
take the same decision in
6.0
tomorrow, it
चलता
may be
था,
wrong. It may
आज
be
की
went
डेट में
wrong,
चलता
right?
है एसएपी
Because
एस4 हाना,
situation will
ठीक
be
है।
keep on changing.
अब जितने
Time
भी
and
कंपनियां
situation will be
हैं
keep on changing.
ईसीसी को
So
छोड़
you have
के
to
आज
take
की
the
डेट पे
decision based
एसएपी
on your
एस4 आना पे आ
situation,
गई,
based
ठीक
on
है,
your timing,
बिकॉज
right?
एसएपी ने बोला
So
कि
that's why
2027 के
taking
बाद
decision on
ईसीसी
right time,
विल
right
नॉट बी
decision
देयर,
will play
ठीक है। अगर
very key
आपको
role.
एसएपी
So
यूज
that's
करना
why
है
this ERP
और
tool will
एसएपी की
play
साइड से
very
आपको
key
कुछ भी
role in
सपोर्ट
your
चाहिए तो
preparing
आपको हाना
plan,
की तरफ मूव
preparing
करना ही
strategy.
पड़ेगा। तो डेटा
Okay.
माइग्रेशंस का
So if you
मतलब
are
ही क्या
using
रहता है
ERP tool,
कि
what will
प्रीवियस
happen? You will be
एप्लीकेशन को
already
ड्रॉप
maintaining
करके
some data.
हम
So
नई
based on the
एप्लीकेशन
data, you
पे
can take the
मूव
decisions.
करते हैं। सो दैट इज
You
माय
maybe
डेटा
increase your
माइग्रेशन
sales price.
प्रोजेक्ट,
You may be
ठीक है।
like a concentrate on different segment, like
प्रीवियस
different business
एप्लीकेशन
area.
को
Okay, or you
डिलीट
may be
हाँ
like concentrate on different products. Okay,
हाँ हाँ
it's
ठीक
हमने
है।
anything
किया
can be
है
happen
अब
based on the
हमारा ना
data
पूरा पीओ
you
वगैरह
are
जो
going
है
to
वो
take the
माइग्रेट
decisions.
हुआ है न्यू
Okay,
पीओ
if you
में
don't
दैट इज
हाँ
maintain any
माइग्रेशन है
data
ना
or if you don't use any ERP, then it is not that much easy to follow the some strategy to prepare the plan,
हाँ
हेलो
right?
हाँ
So
तो
that's why
डेटा
this
माइग्रेशन में वो होता
ERP
है
tool will
कि जो
play very key
प्रीवियस
role.
मेरा मतलब वर्जन है,
Okay,
प्रीवियस वर्जन
that's
को
why
हम
this ERP
ड्रॉप
tool came
करके
in picture.
नए उस पे आते हैं,
And
ठीक
this
है।
ERP tool, the data will be
तो
readily
उसको
available
बोलते
at
हैं हम
any
मेरा
time,
डेटा
any point of
माइग्रेशन
time.
प्रोजेक्ट।
Okay, you can consolidate it.
तो
Based
इसको
on
क्या
that, you
कह
can
सकते
take
हैं
the decision.
प्रीवियस
Hope
डेटा
you
जो है
understand
वो
मतलब
what is
डेटा नहीं, यहाँ पर जो आपका ईसी
what
सर्वर
you
पे जो
mean by
डेटा
ERP,
रहता है ना, वो सारा डेटा हम कॉपी करके अपना
right?
हाना वर्जन पे ले
One
आते हैं,
thing.
और
ठीक
जब
है
हाना वर्जन पे आ जाता है
Yeah.
देन उसके
Okay.
बाद
So
हम क्या
now
करते हैं,
we'll try to
उसको
understand the difference
बंद
between
करते हैं, ठीक है।
SAP
तो
ERP
हम
tool
क्या
to
करते हैं,
other
प्रीवियस
ERP
एप्लीकेशन पे
tools.
आते हैं।
Okay. the difference between SAP ERP tool to other ERP tools. Why we need to
तो
understand the
उसमें हम
difference?
क्या करते हैं,
Because
मेरा जो प्रीवियस
SAP
एप्लीकेशन
is
को
in the
क्लोज
top
करके
in the market.
हम नई एप्लीकेशन पे
SAP
आते
is in
हैं।
the top in the market. Okay, in ERP market,
ठीक
SAP
है।
is in the top in the market, and at the same time, SAP licensing cost is very high when you compare with any
ठीक
other
है,
ERP tool. SAP licensing cost is very high. Okay, but still SAP is in the top
ठीक
in
है।
the market.
तो
We need to understand why SAP is in the top in the
इतने
market,
ही
because
टॉपिक्स रहते हैं
you
ना।
are going to learn the SAP.
हाँ,
You are going to like you are going to
तो
work,
इसको हम
or
बोलते हैं
even your
डेटा
career is
माइग्रेशन प्रोजेक्ट।
going to
अब
like
एसएपी में क्या
convert
रहता
into
है, हम क्या
SAP
कि
consultant.
सारा हम
So
क्लोज
before
करते हैं,
you are
ठीक है।
converting, before
तो
you are
सारा
learning,
क्लोज इन द
you
सेंस कि
need
हम
to
जो
understand what is
ट्रेनिंग करते हैं,
the
हम
future of SAP,
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन
why
लेवल पे
SAP
करते
is
हैं।
in the
अब
top in the
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पे
market.
करने का
Based
मीनिंग
on
आप
that, you
समझो
can take
उसका
the decision,
पर्पस क्या
because
रहता है।
if
उसका
you want
पर्पस
to
ये रहता है
like
कि
become a
अगर आप
consultant, you can
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन
choose not only
देन
SAP,
आपके
you will have
जितने
a n number of
प्रोसेस हैं
ERPs, but
वो आपके
why
सारे
you have to choose SAP ERP,
कंप्लीट हो जाते
that
हैं।
thing I want to cover. Okay,
ठीक है,
so first thing I want to cover the
तो ये
difference
हमारा
between the
एसएपी में
major
रहता है।
difference
एनी
between SAP
लाइक आपको
ERP
कोई डाउट
tool
है
to
देन
other
वी कैन
ERP
टेक
tool,
अप।
the
ओके,
part of integration. Hope you understand the term called integration. Pradeep?
अभी आपका कोई
मुझे ये जो है टाइप्स ऑफ बार फिर से
Hello?
एक्सप्लेन करके दीजिए ना।
टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट रहता है कि
Hello?
लाइक हम जो प्रीवियस एप्लीकेशन रहती है ना,
हेलो सर।
देखो
Yeah, are
टाइप्स
you
ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट का
traveling?
मीनिंग समझो कि मेरे मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स रहते हैं, ठीक है।
या सर।
लाइक मेरा डेटा माइग्रेशन प्रोजेक्ट रहता है और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रोजेक्ट रहता है, सपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट रहता है, मल्टीपल टाइप्स के
Okay.
प्रोजेक्ट रहते हैं, ठीक है। तो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रोजेक्ट रहता है जो
So
प्रीवियस
the
एप्लीकेशन को ड्रॉप करके
integration
अपनी
means
एप्लीकेशन पे मूव करते हैं। सो
communicating
दैट
with
इज माय डेटा
different tools or
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन
communicating
प्रोजेक्ट,
with a
ठीक है।
different department. We
और
called
सपोर्ट
as
में
an
मैंने आपको
integration.
बताया कि अगर
That
कुछ भी
means
इशू आता है
receiving the data from different tool, sending the data from SAP to other tool. So this
ठीक
we
है।
called integration.
सपोर्ट
So with
प्रोजेक्ट
the
में क्या
help of
रहता
SAP,
है
you
कि
can
एसएपी ऑलरेडी
integrate with
इम्प्लीमेंट
any
रहता
other
है,
module or
बट
any
वी हैव
other
टू
tool.
सपोर्ट
That
द
means
एंड
you can
यूजर जब
send
भी
the
कुछ भी
data
इशू आता है
or you
देन दे
can
रेज द
receive the
टिकट,
data.
ठीक है।
Okay.
रोल आउट में क्या रहता है,
So
एसएपी
for
ऑलरेडी
example,
इम्प्लीमेंट रहता है, बट
in
बैंक
real
क्या
time
करता है
in
अपने
SAP,
बिजनेस को
so
एक्सपेंड करता है।
this
लाइक
SAP
प्लांट
tool
के
will be
रोल आउट की
used
तरह और
max to
कंपनी को
max
रोल आउट की
MNC
तरह।
companies or
ऐसे ही मेरा
medium or
डेटा
large scale
माइग्रेशन रहता है।
industries.
डेटा माइग्रेशन में
Some
क्या रहता है
startup
कि
companies
पहले
also
मेरा एसीसी सर्वर
started
चलता
using
था
SAP
और आज की
ERP
डेट
tool.
में एसएपी
So
एस/4HANA चलता
assume
है।
like
तो
when
एसएपी क्या
this
सजेस्ट करता है
SAP
कि अगर
ERP
आपको
tool
एसएपी यूज
using by
करना है देन
large
यू विल हैव
companies,
टू
they
मूव
will
ऑन
be having n
एसएपी
number of
एस/4HANA।
vendors. That
बिकॉज
means
एसएपी
you
ने
need to
क्या
make
बोला
the
कि
payment every day.
2027 के बाद हम
Thousands
ईसीसी का
means
जो भी
thousands of
क्लाइंट है
vendors you need to make
हम
the
उसको
payment.
सपोर्ट नहीं
So if you
करेंगे,
use any
ठीक है।
other ERP tool, it may be take good amount of time and it may take good amount of like
ठीक है,
good
ये
number
क्लियर
of
हुआ आपको भी?
resources.
हाँ
But in SAP,
हाँ,
how much time
तो
it will take,
अब
on
मैं आपको
how
थोड़ा
many
एसएपी पे
resources
लेके
it will
चलता
take,
हूँ।
you know.
अब देखो जब भी आप लॉगिन करते हो तो
So
लॉगिन
it
करते
doesn't
ही
matter
सिस्टम
how
क्या
many
करता है,
numbers
आपको एंड यूजर
vendors
की
you are
स्क्रीन
there
ओपन
to
करता
make
है।
the
एंड यूजर
payment.
स्क्रीन कौन सी होती
Within
है?
single click, you
दैट इज
can
माय
make the
एंड यूजर
payment.
स्क्रीन।
How much time it will take?
एक्स
It will
स्क्रीन इज
take
माय एंड यूजर स्क्रीन,
hardly it will
ठीक है।
take within
हाँ,
5 to 10
इसीलिए हमारी
minutes. Your
स्क्रीन
vendor
हाँ,
amount it will
तो
be
अब
credited
हमारी
to
जो कंसल्टिंग
your vendor
स्क्रीन रहती है
account.
ना, कंसल्टिंग
Okay,
स्क्रीन
how
रहती
this
है
will
ये
be,
वाली।
how this will
सो
be
दिस इज माय
possible?
कंसल्टिंग
Because
स्क्रीन जहाँ से मैं
you're going
पूरा
to design the
सिस्टम को
system as per the
मेरा
bank
कंट्रोल करता
advised.
हूँ, ठीक
Okay,
है।
the means as soon as you execute the payment program, payment advice file it will be generated. So that payment advice file you are going to design, you are going to
ठीक है,
configure as per
तो
the bank requirement.
इतना मेरा
So
पूरा
that
एंड टू एंड,
payment advice file, as soon as bank receive, they will make the payment. So how the
ठीक है।
payment
अभी
file it
आपको
will
कोई
be sent to the
डाउट है
bank
देन वी कैन
through the
टेक,
integration.
बट हमारा सिस्टम के
Okay,
अंदर
and
एक
as
यही
soon as
प्रोसेस चलता है
bank
एसएपी के अंदर
made
कि
the
हम क्या
payment,
करते हैं,
bank will send the
पूरा हम
acknowledgement
कंसल्टेंट
like
लेवल पे
these are
करते
the
हैं।
vendors, we made the payment, these are the vendor,
मुझे
we
इनका
have
कुछ भी नहीं
rejected due to
समझ
this
रहा है।
reason.
क्या
So even that communication
नहीं
also we
समझ
call
रहा है क्योंकि
integration.
हमारी स्क्रीन
Okay,
अलग।
so this is happen
हाँ,
real
तो
time.
अब भी जैसे
Okay,
आप ये
there
ट्रेनिंग
won't be
करोगे
any
ना,
delay.
ट्रेनिंग के
So
बाद जो
this
रिलेटेड
this
इश्यूज आते
functionality
हैं
or
ना,
this
देन
feature
सपोर्ट
it may
रिलेटेड
or
इश्यूज
may
के लिए
not be
आपको
available
ईमेल
in
करने की
with any
रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं
other
होगी। आप
ERP.
इजीली उसको
Okay, you can
छोटे मोटे जितने
customize,
भी
you
आपके
can
एरर
do the
आएंगे ना, तो
customize as
आफ्टर
per
दिस
your
ट्रेनिंग आप
requirement.
उसको इजीली आप अपने
Okay,
आप
you
से
can
रिजॉल्व कर पाओगे।
develop, you can develop this
हाँ
integration as per your
तो अगर
requirement,
ट्रेनिंग लेनी
as per
तो
your
मैंने है ना,
business requirement.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल।
Okay, so this is one of the best feature which SAP has, and
कंसल्टेंट का
if you
कुछ भी
compare with
मतलब
any
कुछ
other
भी नहीं
ERP
लगा
tool,
कि
हाँ,
same
अगर
तो
functionality
कंसल्टेंट के
it is
उसके बाद
not
क्या होगा, जो
available with
कंसल्टेंट
any other
रिलेटेड इशू
ERP
आते
tool.
हैं ना, आप
Okay,
सारे कंसल्टेंट
this is one of
रिलेटेड
the
इशू आप
quality
अपने
that
आप से टेक
SAP
केयर कर
has,
पाओगे।
and because
आपको
of
छोटे
this
मोटे
reason
इशू के लिए ईमेल करने
SAP
की
is in the top
रिक्वायरमेंट
in the
नहीं होगी
market.
अपने
Now
कंसल्टेंट
let me
को। देन
take
ऑन द
one more
बेसिस ऑफ दैट आप क्या
reason why
करोगे, आप
SAP is in
अपना
the top
मार्केट
in
में
the
जॉब सर्च
market.
करना स्टार्ट करोगे और आपको
Okay.
मार्केट में जॉब
So
इजीली
assume
मिल
like
जाएगी
you're
एज ए
doing the
एमएम
business from
कंसल्टेंट।
past 10 to 15 years.
ठीक है।
Okay, and you're not using you're not using any ERP. Now you are want to or you are planning
So
to
आप
migrate into
फर्दर आप अपने ऊपर
ERP
जो
tool.
काउंसलर है ना
So
ललित या
when
विकास
you
जी
are
होंगे,
take the
आप उनसे
decision
कनेक्ट
like
कर लीजिए,
migrate
ठीक
into
है.
ERP tool,
So they
so
will
you
help you
have a
like
two
for the
options. Assume
further
like you have two options. One
process.
is
Okay.
SAP ERP tool,
ओके, बस इतना ही था
other one
डेमो
is
में.
the second option
Demo
is other than SAP ERP tool. Now we'll try to understand if you migrate into SAP ERP tool, what will happen? If you migrate into other than SAP tool, what will happen? Okay. So first example, we'll try to understand or try to discuss if you have decided to migrate into other than SAP ERP tool, what will happen? Okay. So assume like in your business, you have a 20 activities. So activities means processes. Okay. 20 processes or 20 activities. Okay. Means activity equal to vendor invoice, second activity equal to credit memo, third activity equal to vendor payment, okay, fourth activity equal to your customer invoice, fifth activity equal to your receiving the customer payment. Okay, similarly you have a 20 activities in your business. So when you are decided to migrate into other than SAP ERP tool, so that ERP tool is not
इसके अंदर हम
supporting
जाएंगे तो एज ए एम
20
कंसल्टेंट हमें
20
क्या होता है,
activities or 20
इधर हमें
processes.
प्लांट क्रिएट
So
करना
out
होता है,
of 20
डिफाइन कॉपी
processes,
डिलीट
they
सेट
are
प्लांट,
supporting
ठीक है.
only 15
यहाँ पर
processes.
जाके हम क्या करते हैं,
Remaining 5 processes they don't have a
जो मेरा
solution. Okay,
नया
in this
है
case what will
तो मैं
happen?
प्लांट कोड
In
क्रिएट
this case
करते हैं.
what will
अब ये
happen?
क्या है, ऑलरेडी
So
क्रिएटेड
what you have to
प्लांट
do,
कोड इस सिस्टम
you
के
need
अंदर.
to
अगर आपको
use
नया प्लांट
different
कोड क्रिएट
ERP
करना
tool
है,
for
देन यू
remaining
विल हैव
5
टू क्लिक
processes.
ऑन दिस
You
न्यू
have to
एंट्री,
use 15
ठीक
processes
है.
that ERP
तो
tool,
अब एसएपी
or
में अब
again
आपको
5
पता है कि
processes
आपको हर चीज़ का कोड
you have
डालते
to
हो, जैसे
use
परचेज
different tool.
ऑर्डर
So in
बनाते
this
हो
case what
तो
will
आप
happen?
प्लांट का कोड डालते हो,
Your
तो आप हमको ऐसे कुछ भी ऐड कर
your
सकते हैं.
cost will be
तो हमने
increased
कोड क्रिएट
and
किया था
your data,
जैन टू,
real time data,
ये
it will
प्लांट
not
कहाँ का है
known
और
correctly and
कैटेगरी
your
कैलेंडर.
accuracy, the data
देन मैंने
accuracy
करा
will be
सेव.
affected.
जैसे आप
Okay,
सेव करोगे तो सिस्टम
there
क्या
will be a
करेगा,
lot of problem.
आपसे इसका
Okay,
एड्रेस मांगेगा कि
and if
उसका
it is
एड्रेस क्या है,
data get delayed, what will
ठीक
happen?
है.
Finally
तो
it will
एक्चुअली
impact on your
ये
decision
सैप
making.
कंसल्टेंट का रोल
Okay,
यही है ना, मतलब
these
सैप
are
ऐसे
the
ही है.
कंसल्टेंट
problems,
का रोल
these are the
यही है
problems
जो
that you have
बैकएंड में
to
सारी
face,
कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस
that
करना.
you have to face
ओके.
if you
अभी
choose
जैसे
to
मैंने प्लांट
other
कोड
than
क्रिएट
SAP
कर दिया,
ERP
सो
tool.
दैट इज अ पार्ट
Okay,
ऑफ
now
एसएपी
we'll try
एमएम
to discuss
कंसल्टेंट, ठीक
if
है.
your business
ठीक
अब
है.
has chosen
ठीक है.
or choose
अब ऐसे ही अगर आपको
to
परचेज
migrate
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जैसे आप
into
क्रिएट
SAP
करते हो,
ERP tool.
परचेज
Okay,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
so we have
जैसे आप
taken
अभी
as an
परचेज
example
ऑर्डर क्रिएट
your
करते हो,
company
कंपनी
having
कोड भी
20
डालते हो,
activities,
हम्म.
your
जैसे
business
हम
having
बैकएंड से वो
20
सारा कंपनी
activities.
कोड हम
Assume
क्रिएट
like
करते हैं और फर्दर उसके
your
जाके मैपिंग
business
कर
don't
देते हैं,
have a
ठीक है.
20
हम्म.
activities, they
तो
may be
मैसेज
having
आके हम कोड क्रिएट कर
2000
देते हैं, जैसे
activities or
मैंने क्रिएट कर
20,000
दिया ऐसे
activities.
25,
Okay, in this case
ठीक
what
है.
will
कुछ
happen?
भी हम कोड
So
क्रिएट
it
कर दिया
doesn't matter
सिस्टम
to
के अंदर.
SAP, it doesn't matter to SAP how many activities that your business having. So SAP will provide the
तो
solution
आप ऐसे
for
कुछ
all
भी
your
कोड आप
requirements,
क्रिएट कर सकते
for
हो सिस्टम
all
के
your
अंदर.
problem. There
तो
is a solution within
ड्यूरिंग
SAP.
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हम आपको
Okay, how the SAP will
ट्रेनिंग आप
provide the solution, guys?
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से आप
So SAP has its own functionality with the help of
सर्वर
enhancement,
एक्सेस
with the
होता है
help
ना
of
हमें.
development. Okay,
हाँ
with
सर्वर
the help
एक्सेस
of
आपको मिलेगा ना
customization.
पूरा एंड टू एंड.
So do you know the
ठीक है.
customization?
ऐसे हम
So
क्या
this is
करते
a
हैं, सिस्टम के अंदर
term
कोड
called
क्रिएट कर देते
customization.
हैं.
You
अब
can do
जितने
the
भी हम कोड
customization
क्रिएट
as per
करते
your
हैं देन
business
फर्दर हम
requirement.
क्या
You
करते हैं,
know,
हम
when
उसका असाइनमेंट
once you
करते हैं. असाइनमेंट कहाँ पर
once you
करते हैं,
purchase
यहाँ
your
पर जाकर असाइनमेंट में
bike,
जाके इधर हम
okay,
असाइन कर
you
देते हैं.
can you can modify.
जैसे
Means if you don't like
प्लांट
the
का कंपनी
standard
कोड के साथ
model,
करते हैं,
you
जहाँ
can
जाकर असाइन
modify
प्लांट टू
your
कंपनी
bike or
कोड,
your car
असाइन
as per your
कंपनी कोड
taste,
टू
right?
कंपनी, यहाँ से हम सारी
Similarly
क्या
in
करते
SAP
हैं,
also,
असाइनमेंट
as
करते
per
हैं यहाँ
your
पे सारे
business
का सारा का.
requirement, you can
ठीक
modify.
है.
That we call
तो
as a
यहाँ से हम बेसिकली
customization. Software you can
कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस करते हैं, ये
customize,
रोल रहता
customized.
है एसएपी एमएम
Okay,
कंसल्टेंट का.
so this is a that is a one more
ठीक है.
feature which SAP
तो अभी
has.
मेरी ना
Okay,
8:30 क्लास
so
है,
with the help of
ठीक है.
customization,
तो
with the help of
उस पॉइंट ऑफ
enhancement,
व्यू से
with the
लाइक मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर
help
दिया
of
कि हम
standard
हमारा
functionality of
एज एम
SAP,
एम कंसल्टेंट क्या
it
रोल
doesn't
रहता है.
matter
बैकएंड में सारी
how
कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस
many
करना
process or how
एज
many
एम एम
activities
कंसल्टेंट
that
का रोल
your
रहता है.
business having,
ठीक
SAP
है.
will provide the solution for
और
all
जैसे
your
हम परचेज ऑर्डर
requirement.
वगैरह
You
क्रिएट
come
करते
up with
हैं,
the
जैसे हम
requirement,
एक्टिविटी 1N में
SAP
जाके हम
will
परचेज
deliver
ऑर्डर
the
क्रिएट
solution.
करते हैं.
Okay,
सो दैट इज अ
so there
पार्ट
is
ऑफ
no
माई
question where SAP will not
एम एम
provide the
एंड यूजर्स,
solution.
ठीक है.
Only thing you have to
मेरा यही है
spend
बस.
money
हाँ.
and you have to
सेम
give
तो
some
ये
सेम.
time
आप यहाँ पर देखो, जैसे हम
to
परचेज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
SAP
ये सारी
consultant,
चीज़ डालते हो
okay,
ना,
to
हाँ.
develop as per your
लाइक ये
business
एम एम.
requirement. Okay, hope you understand why SAP is in top in the market. Okay, and as you know, why you have to learn SAP only? Why not like Oracle? Why not like what you can say Microsoft Dynamics consultant? Okay, as I said, SAP is in the top in the market, and the market share of SAP is top in the market. There is no comparison between SAP to any other tool. Okay, and the migration to SAP is growing rapidly. Okay, the migration from different ERPs to SAP ERP tool or like a manual accounting to SAP ERP tool is rapidly going. Okay, there is no comparison with any other ERP tool. That is so when maximum companies are using SAP ERP tool, your like a employment chances also very means keep on increasing. Okay. And one more thing I would like to cover, the role that we are going to cover as SAP functional consultant. Okay. So there is no scope, means there is a scope for the AI also, but that is limited to 10% only. Okay. Your job is still secured at least for the 10 to 15 years. After that I can't say. Even that is also, even in after 10 to 15 years also, it is not possible to enter into AI. Okay. Still your requirement will be there. Okay. So you can this is a best option to learn SAP ERP tool. So there is, as I said, there is no scope for the AI, and your employment chances are getting increased day by day. Okay. And if you want to test yourself, what you can do, you can convert, means you can prepare one CV and you can upload into Naukri or LinkedIn, and you try to test within 1 week how many calls you are going to get. Okay. You just try that. Any questions on this? Any questions on this?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So let me cover. Yeah, this is one of the material. I will cover this. I will show you later. Okay. First, let me cover what are the topics or what are the course content that I'm going to cover. Okay. So this is FICO consultant role. So I'm going to cover basic configuration, accounts payable, account receivable, banking, FIMM integration, okay, FICO integration, cost center accounting, profit center accounting, what else? GST, what else? Yeah, asset accounting, EBS, electronic bank statements. So these are the topics that I'm going to cover. Okay. So any questions on this? Just let me know if you have any questions. I'm moving to further topics. So once this course is completed, so basically I'm in the class, in the course content itself, we are going to cover two roles. One is a SAP FICO consultant. The second one is the end user. So you can apply anything, but 99% we will prefer to apply for SAP consultant job, because the package and the growth is differs at least 200%. For example, as an end user, if you get 3 to 4 lakhs, here you will get 9 lakhs. Okay. So that is a difference. So try to focus on SAP consultant role. Okay. Time being, if you get the job in end user also, you can join, but only for a time being. Okay. So these are the two roles I'm going to cover. So how I am going to cover these two roles? So I'm going to cover these two roles. Initially, we are going to configure all this. Initially, we are going to configure all these things. For example, we did the basic configuration. So whatever you did the configuration, okay, again you have to do the testing. Okay. While we are doing the testing, I'm going to cover the end user role. Okay. While we are doing the configuration, we are going to cover the SAP consultant role. So once the course is completed, you will be comfortable with consultant role and as well as end user role. You can apply any of the roles. You can apply for the consultant role. You can apply for the end user role. Okay. So any questions on this? Yeah. So if you don't have a question, let me take you SAP screen. So once you join with the course, same
तो जो
access
भी
will be given to
ERP
you.
होता है वो हमेशा
The
दो
access
लेवल
will be
पे बनाया
24 by
जाता है।
7.
एक होता है क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट, एक होता है कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट। अब क्लाइंट
this
की
is a SAP
रिक्वायरमेंट और
login pad.
कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होती है जरा वो समझिए
This
आप
is SAP
लोग।
login pad.
अब आप में से
This
चलिए
way you
कोई
have to
बात
log
नहीं,
in. So
मेरा
this user
एग्जांपल
ID
देता हूँ।
and
एक डाउट था
your
कि जो
password you will be getting from
क्लाइंट
the
रिक्वायरमेंट है वो तो समझ गया,
institute.
कंपनी रिक्वायरमेंट
Okay, you need to log in with your user ID and
कंपनी आई
password.
है तो
You
उसकी
are going
बात
to
होती है,
get from the
राइट?
institute, and this
बेटा
access will
कंपनी
be
मतलब क्या होता है आपको
24 by
समझाता
7.
हूँ, मेरे को
Okay,
एग्जांपल देता हूँ, आप
so this is
समझोगे।
SAP. So
एक
here
दो
only
मिनट
you
दो,
are going to
2
do
मिनट
the
में आपको
here,
समझ आएगा,
here
नहीं
only
आता
you
है
are
फिर
going
मैं
to do
आपको
the
एक्सप्लेन करता
configuration.
हूँ,
Here,
ठीक है?
only,
2
here
मिनट
only
देते
you
हो
are
दिया
going to
जी
do
आप
the
मुझे प्लीज,
data
2
entry.
मिनट
Okay,
बस।
so for example, if you want to do the
चलिए, तो ये एग्जांपल
customer
को समझ,
balance,
सॉरी, इसे
so
समझने
in
के लिए
SAP
मैं
it will
एग्जांपल
work
लेता
like
हूँ।
a
जैसे फॉर एन
T codes,
एग्जांपल सार्थक जो है ना,
transaction codes.
वो
How it will
मस्त
be
एक
work? You know, it
हॉस्पिटल
is
में
like a
एडमिट है,
shortcut keys.
ऐसा
Okay,
होना नहीं चाहिए,
so I
बस
want to see
देखो।
the customer
सार्थक
statements.
हॉस्पिटल
How
में
can
एडमिट है,
I can see?
सार्थक बढ़िया
How
बेड पे
can I
लेटा
display?
है
So
और
there is a T
तारक
code
मेहता का उल्टा
BL
चश्मा स्क्रीन पे चल
YL.
रहा
So
है।
these T codes you
इसपे
need
मैं
not to
सार्थक
remember.
की माता जी
Once you do
हॉस्पिटल
the
में
practice,
आती है
you
और
will be
मेरे रूम में
habituated.
आती
Okay,
है, और मेरे
17.
रूम में आके
And this
मुझसे
is a
पूछती
standard
है कि
SAP
बेटा आप खाने में
company
क्या
code. So now I
खाओगे?
can execute.
तो सार्थक ने
So as
बताया
of
कि
now,
मम्मी
this
ये दे
date,
दीजिए, मम्मी वो
how
दे
many
दीजिए, मम्मी ये
means
दे
how many
दीजिए।
vendors having
तो
the balance.
अभी
That
जब
means
मेरी मम्मी
from
मेरे लिए
how many
खाना बना के
sorry,
लाएगी
from
ना,
how
तो वो
many
मेरी
customers we need to
रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से,
receive the money.
जो मैंने
Let's see.
उन्हें कहा ना मुंह से बोल के कि
These
मुझे
all
ये
are the
चाहिए, मुझे
standard report.
ये
Okay,
चाहिए, ये
you can
चाहिए,
see
तो ये हो
Mahindra
गया
and Mahindra
क्लाइंट
Private Limited.
रिक्वायरमेंट। यहाँ पे
This is
मेरी
the
माता जी
customer
मेरे
and
लिए
the
मेरी
customer
पसंद
city
का
is
खाना बना के
Delhi,
लेके
and
आई।
this is the balance.
और अगर
Outstanding
कंपनी
balance is
रिक्वायरमेंट की बात करूँ तो
something like
सेम
a
सिनारियो रहेगा।
15 lakh
मेरी
20,480
माता जी एक बार तो
US
मुझसे
dollars.
नहीं
And
पूछेगी
you can
बेटा
see
तुझे
in
खाने में क्या
different
चाहिए।
dates we have a different invoices.
Yeah, audible, sir. Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a customer statement where you can able to see the what is the outstanding balance that we supposed to receive from this customer, and this is a document date. Okay, and also you can select the layout also. You can layout. So for example, I want to see the due date. Okay, so here you can add the due date. So these all things you are going to learn in the classes. Let me add the due date as well. Okay, the due date. I'm just trying to bring this. Okay, where is the due date? Yeah, here is the due date. So for this invoice, what is the due date? February 1st. The due date is Feb 1st, and this is a January 1st, and this is a February 1st, January 1st. Okay, and March 1st. Different dates, different having a like a due dates. Okay, this is one customer. Let me come down. You have a one more customer, domestic US customer one, Atlanta. The city of this customer is Atlanta. What is the balance that we supposed to receive from this vendor? And you can see all are the overdue. Okay, overdue. So many invoices are there for this customer. Okay, so 60,840. This is the amount that we supposed to receive from this customer. Okay, and if you want to see the specific customer only, you just give the customer number, you can execute it. So say only single customer you can able to see. Okay, so this is where you can see the standard report. Now I want to see the vendor report. For that there is a separate T code. So FBL1L, this is the vendor. Okay, so I'm keeping, I want to see all the vendors. That means suppliers or vendor both are same. Okay, you can execute. You can see HP computers, the city of this vendor is Bangalore. So how much money we need to pay to this vendor? 1039.80 1039.80 US dollars. Okay, and these are different dates, document date, and these are document number. Assignment number is empty. You can add any field. Okay, you can add any field. Not this one, this is the layout. Okay, you can add any field as per your requirement. Okay, this is a standard report. Apart from the standard report, as per your business requirement, you can create the reports. You can create the reports. That is the beauty of SAP. That is the advantage of SAP. Okay, and you can make this like a For example, this report every month on specific date you want to send this specific person or group of people, you can make this report automatically. You can send this report automatically without your without any manual intervention through the batch apps that you are going to learn later. Okay, so this is a possibilities of automation as well within SAP. Okay, the first thing you need to understand the function side. You have to be like a, you need to understand, you need to do the practice. Okay, so this is one of the report. What else? If you want to see the GL balance, you can able to see the GL balance as well. Okay, so for that FBL 3n, n number of GLs will be displayed. Okay, 30,000. Okay, customer receivable reconciliation account 1376.72. This is one of the GL account. This is negative balance. And petty cash come down. Oh, it is having a number of transactions. Okay, so this balance is 30,531. Okay, so this is a petty cash. 100 or 100 100 Okay, you have so many petty cash GL account posting automatically only 100 20000. This is one more petty cash account. The balance is 420 negative balance. Okay, so these are the standard report. Apart from the standard, you can do the customization report, customized report as well. Okay, so how you are going to do this customization report? With the help of technical team. Okay, but what you have to do in the development, you need to explain what is your requirement. Okay, so this is all about this one, like our topics, and these are the role that I'm going to cover. Okay, and what else? So every day means based on your batch, classes will be happen. Okay, so once class is over, I'm going to share the recording session along with the notes, and this is my notes. Okay, very crystal clear notes will be, I will be providing. Okay, each step by step along with the screenshots. This is all our explanation only. This is for one topic, FIMM integration. Okay, you can see each and every step I have explained. What is a defined validation level? What is this? Okay, everything I have explained along with the screenshot. So each and every topic I will be providing notes and everyday recordings. Okay, so any questions, Manadeep?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
As of now, no questions to ask to you, sir.
Okay.
What is the course duration, sir?
It will be between 2 to 3 months.
Okay. I'm thinking about in online course, it will be.
It's only online.
Oh, achha.
Vico, do we have offline as well? For you are in Hyderabad, na?
Yes, I'm from
Yeah,
Hyderabad.
yeah. There won't be like offline.
Achha.
It's only online.
Okay.
Any further questions
After
about
the
your future?
what is the assistance placement? Any placement assistance for?
Vicky, can you answer?
Hello. Was मेरी current office में classes का नहीं लगी.
Yeah, Vico, you're not audible clearly.
मुझे link भेज देना याद से. Okay. So Manidi, we are providing a 100% placement assistant. Okay. In that we are like updating your CV. Okay. We are prepare you regarding the interview questions like at the training time. Shiva sir guide you at the training time. Okay. Regarding interview question and everything. we are prepare you regarding a mock interviews. Okay, we are conducting your interviews. Okay, you need to crack your interview. Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
yes, and you can 100% you can get the job. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Some
Anything?
questions to ask you. Is this totally financial accounting or CO apart from CO or both are there?
Yeah, yeah.
In
So let me cover. So 100% FI and some basic FI. Sorry, some basic CO controlling model.
much.
Very
Okay.
basic, okay? But more focus will be on FI side.
If I said
So
okay.
once you are comfortable, for example, even I can cover the CO also, but you are a fresher now. So when
Ah
you can
yeah.
learn the CO, once you gain the real time experience, at least 3 to 5 years, then you can learn the CO.
Okay. Okay.
That time you will able to understand. First, you have to understand FI only.
Yeah. Yeah. I understood. I understood your.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any questions?
Nothing to. It's all about configurations and
Yeah, there
integration.
there no there no coding. There is no coding at all.
Yes.
Even
Yes.
I don't understand the coding as well. Okay,
Okay.
there is no
Okay.
coding. Only you need to understand. Hope you know what is means debit and credit, right? Journal
Mm,
entries.
three golden principle like.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. Very basic level. For example, when you purchase the material, what is the debit, what is the credit? That thing we can means that at least that level you need to understand. Even if you are not able to understand, even for accounting also, I'm taking the classes. 1 or 2 classes I will take. One class is more than enough.
Okay. Just basics.
Very basic. I hope you are since you are from BCom background now. Hope you
Yes.
can. It's not required for you that class.
Ah yeah. Right.
Yeah. Any further questions?
Nothing, sir. Clear all.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
I'll
Great.
get
Thanks.
in
Thanks,
touch
Mandeep.
with
Thanks, Rico.
Anjali,
You
sir.
can connect with Vikas for if you have any further questions regarding
Okay. Manidi,
batches,
further.
fees, everything. You
Yeah.
can connect with Vikas. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
guys. Bye.
All
thank
right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful time.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
you.
Okay, Manidi, now do you have any questions?
Nothing.
Great. Then further you can just connect with Anjali ma'am. She guide you for further classes.
And
Okay.
connect tomorrow at 10 a.m. With
Yes.
Anjali.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.